Hey guys, today we're going to be covering 3 different features in Fusion 360 for the sketching area. We're going to be covering the circular pattern, the rectangular pattern, and mirror. Let's say you want to make some discs and they look like this. They have lots of kind of unique hole patterns in them. Instead of making them all individually, we can do them all at once in one sketch. So I've already kind of pre-built a little bit of this part already. And so let's start off with rectangular pattern right here. So we'll click on that, and it first wants us to tell what object we want to be making a pattern. I'm just going to highlight all of that, and you can either apply it your X and Y direction of these patterns with this arrow, which is really handy, and you can type in that distance right here if you wanted to do it numerically. And then the quantity of how much you're doing this pattern. I'm going to actually change it to 6 because that's what we have. Click over here. We can also click to 6. So with the distance type, right now I have it to extent. So that's from this distance right here to this distance right here. I can also change it to spacing, which is this distance right here to the next object. It just really is preference and the situation of what you're doing. In this instance, extent works really well. One cool thing is you can suppress different instances in which you're seeing this pattern, which makes it really nice, so you can really customize these patterns pretty well with that additional feature. Next, we have the directions. We can do a single direction. We can also do a symmetric. As you can see, it's pulling from this direction. Because it's an even number, it's not having the same number on both sides. If I upped it to 7, you'll see that it put 3 on both sides now. But that's not really what we're looking for. So we're going to go back to one direction. And that's it for pattern for rectangular pattern. And so we're going to click OK. Next, we are going to do a circular pattern where we can just click on the one we want. Click a center point. We can either click here or we can click on the edge for the circle. And it'll give us the options of doing an angle. So if we don't want only these holes to go partially around, we can do that. Or we can do symmetric. But I'm just going to stick to full, and I'm going to change the quantity to 8 because that's what we're looking for. And turn these 2 off and click OK. And so we have the sketch we need for one disk, but we won't need another one. And instead of doing the whole thing all over again, I'm just going to drop a line right there. And close that. And with the mirror feature, I can highlight all of this. It's selected everything. It does also select all of the points, which adds up a lot more features than probably needed. And then you want to click on whatever you're going to mirror with and click OK. And in this case, I don't need to keep this mirror line, so I'm just going to delete it. And that gets rid of a lot of the relations. If you do keep it, it will keep those mirror relations between the two. And there you have it. You have these 2 custom discs, all the sketching done for it. If you found this video useful and helpful, please hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments about how I did this, I would also love it if you added a comment. And we will wrap it up there. So thanks again for watching.